Hello and welcome to EVERBEE London Garden. I'm Elle and this is a quick video for the Growing Potatoes playlist. This playlist includes an ever-expanding free online resource of tips and tricks to help you grow your best ever harvest. For 2022, I'm growing 5 varieties of potato. Keep watching to find out what they are and a little information about each one. Are you growing potatoes this year? Which varieties? Let me know in the comments box below. I would love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already to ensure you're kept up to date with everything from EVERBEE London Garden. Thanks very much for watching. Until next time, stay safe and happy gardening. Bye for now.